Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Alex, and today's episode is designed to help you sound warm, confident, and natural in English during one of the most emotional and meaningful times of the year, Christmas and New Year.
Hi everyone, I'm Jamie, and I really love this topic because holiday greetings are often the first English sentences people use when reconnecting with friends, colleagues, neighbors, or even strangers during celebrations.
That's true, Jamie. During this season, people send messages, write emails, leave comments on social media, and speak to coworkers more than usual. And many English learners feel pressure to say something meaningful, but they don't want to sound awkward or too simple.
And sometimes learners ask, is just saying Merry Christmas enough? Or how can I sound polite but not too formal? Or even, what should I say if I don't know the person very well?
Exactly. So today, we'll guide you step by step, slowly and clearly through new English greetings that feel modern, friendly, and emotionally appropriate for today's world.
Talk about the emotional power of holiday greetings.
Let's talk about why holiday greetings matter so much. During Christmas and New Year, people are more emotional, more reflective, and more open to connection.
Yes, greetings during this time often carry feelings of gratitude, forgiveness, hope, and renewal, which makes them much more powerful than everyday greetings like hi or how are you.
When you say a thoughtful holiday greeting in English, you are not only practicing the language, you are also building relationships and showing cultural understanding.
And that's especially important in international environments, where a kind greeting can make someone feel respected, included, and appreciated.
So, listeners, as you listen today, don't think of these greetings as sentences to memorize. Think of them as tools to express your personality and kindness.
Talk about new and natural Christmas greetings.
Now let's move into Christmas greetings. Of course, the most common phrase is Merry Christmas, but native speakers often add extra words to make it warmer and more personal.
For example, instead of stopping at Merry Christmas, you can say, I just wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and hope you're able to enjoy some peaceful time with your family.
That sounds friendly, thoughtful, and natural, especially in conversation or voice messages.
Here are more modern and expressive Christmas greetings, wishing you a Christmas filled with warmth, laughter, and moments that really matter. Hope your Christmas is calm, joyful, and full of little happy surprises. Sending you warm Christmas wishes and lots of positive energy.
Notice how these greetings focus on feelings and experiences, not just the holiday itself.
Exactly. This style of greeting sounds more natural in English today, especially among younger speakers and in international workplaces.
Talk about meaningful New Year greetings for different goals.
Now let's talk about New Year greetings, which are often about looking forward rather than looking back.
Yes, New Year greetings usually include ideas like growth, success, health, balance, and new beginnings.
A very popular and safe greeting is wishing you a happy, healthy, and successful New Year.
But you can also personalize it depending on the person. For someone starting a new job, you can say, wishing you confidence, success, and exciting opportunities in the new year. For a friend, here's to a new year full of laughter, good health, and great memories.
I like how flexible these greetings are. You can adjust them easily without changing the structure.
That's a great tip for English learners. Learn one structure, then change the words based on the situation.
Talk about professional, social, and online greetings.
Now let's clearly separate professional greetings from casual greetings, because this is where many learners feel confused.
In professional settings, emails, LinkedIn messages, or workplace conversations, you want to sound respectful but still warm.
Here are some professional examples. Wishing you a joyful holiday season and continued success in the coming year. Season's greetings and best wishes for a productive and successful new year.
For friends or social situations, you can relax more. Hope you're enjoying the holidays and getting some well-deserved rest. Wishing you good vibes, great food, and a fantastic new year.
And for social media, short but warm greetings work well. Happy holidays, everyone. Wishing you peace and happiness. Cheers to a fresh start and new possibilities.
Talk about cultural awareness and common English mistakes.
Now let's talk about cultural awareness. Not everyone celebrates Christmas, so using inclusive language is very important.
Yes, instead of assuming, you can say, Happy Holidays. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season.
Another common mistake is being too short or robotic. Saying only Happy New Year without tone, eye contact, and warmth can feel distant.
In English-speaking cultures, a smile, relaxed voice, and friendly body language make your greeting feel genuine.
Talk about extended role plays and listener practice. Let's practice with a longer role play. Alex, you greet me as a coworker. Hi, Jamie. Before we wrap up for the year, I just wanted to wish you a relaxing holiday season and a new year filled with success and good health.
That sounds professional and kind. Now a casual one.
Hey, Jamie. Hope you have an amazing Christmas and an exciting new year ahead. You deserve a great break.
As we close today's episode, remember that English greetings don't need to be perfect, they need to be human.
Choose greetings that feel comfortable to you, practice them out loud, and focus on sharing kindness and positivity.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English Channel. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for listening, and we truly wish all of you a joyful Christmas, peaceful holidays, and a bright new year ahead.
Bye. See you next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.